Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your InDesign for trademark-safe packaging layouts, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. Open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Set the dimensions based on your packaging requirements. Ensure that you choose the correct measurement units, such as inches or millimeters. Select the appropriate number of artboards that correspond to your packaging layout. Before adding any design elements, check your brand guidelines for trademark restrictions. Enable the glyphs panel to help you identify trademark symbols and special characters. Begin designing your layout by importing or creating graphics that align with your brand. Use placeholder text to ensure that there is enough space for legally required disclaimers. Make sure to include any necessary labels or copyrights in your design. Review all fonts to ensure they do not infringe on any trademarks. Utilize the Layers panel to organize your elements, making it easier to manage trademark-safe content. Once your layout is complete, double-check all trademarks and copyrights. Export your design as a high-resolution PDF for final review. Share the PDF with your legal team for approval on trademark usage. Incorporate any changes suggested by the legal review. Finalize your document and prepare for print. Ensure you have the correct color profiles set for packaging printing. Save your InDesign file and keep a backup copy for future reference. Check the final proof to ensure that everything is aligned correctly and adheres to trademark guidelines. Once satisfied, send the final files to your printing service. Maintain an organized archive of your packaging layouts for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.